Hi, this is the Pixel tab and I'll show you how to mute notification sound on this device. So open first the settings, then tap to the sound section. Here you'll see ring and notification volume panel. Just to mute notifications, you could use this volume panel, but by this way you will mute not only notifications but also the ringtones. And if you want to stay with the ringtones and just mute only the notifications, you should unmute this volume panel. Scroll down to default notification sound. Tap to Pixel sounds. Swipe to the down. Okay, now go back, tap to my sound and click to none. Tap to save on the right upper corner, and by this way you'll mute all of your notifications but you will stay with the ringtones. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.